representatives, including government-owned and controlled corporations, to our local government guests who are here, to our partners and potential partners, both from the business sector, from academia, from government, and from the non-government organizations or NGOs, to businessmen and entrepreneurs who are present here, our incubators, our locators here, and to all the guests who are present today. Natutuwa po kami at napakaganda ng attendance dito sa selebrasyon ng DOS PESA Open Technology Business Incubator. Katulad ni Dennis, mahaba din ang aking sasabihin kasi sayang naman ang biyahe ko. Ang narinig ko sa likod ko, may bumubulong. Sabi niya, ano ba yung TBI? May TBI na TBI si Dennis. Ano nga ba yung TBI? Kung ikaw ay bagong nating lang dito sa TRC at narinig mo yung TBI, hindi talaga alam ko ano yung TBI. Ang TBI po ay, ang ibig sabihin ay Technology Business Incubator. Unang nauso yung term na business incubator, okay? Lalo na doon sa mga developed countries na katulad ng US, UK at sa Australia. Noong mga bandang 1970 na uso na po yung mga business incubators na tinatawag. Katulad din ng pagtatayo nila ng mga tinatawag na science and technology parks. Marami doon ay nagsimula na malapit sa mga universidad, okay? Kung saan nagagaling yung mga bagong mga ideya o produkto at natatranslate yun sa mga bagong businesses. Sa Pilipinas, unang nag-commission ng study ang dating Secretary ng Department of Science and Technology, I should credit him with this, si former Secretary Severino Poliosco. This was in 1990, and I was then the head of the Technology Application and Promotion Institute of DOST, na ngayon ay ang pinuno ay si Director Edgar Garcia. At pinag-aralan namin kung pwede bang magtayo ng mga business incubator sa Pilipinas, pero specifically, hindi lang ordinaryong business incubator. Kaya ang tawag dun ay Technology Business Incubator kasi ang gusto namin i-incubate ay yung mga startup companies na gumagamit ng technology or bagong technology. Kaya ang unang-unang mga naging TBIs or Technology Business Incubators na sinet up ay sa mga campuses ng University of the Philippines, pagkatapos doon din sa ibang agencies ng Department of Science and Technology. So in the UP, we set up 3 incubators, okay? One in UP Diliman, one in UP Los Baños, and one in UP Visayas in Miagao. Sa UP Diliman at sa UP Los Baños, sa UP in Miagao, this became operational sometime in 1994. Although in UP Diliman, while the building was being constructed, we already piloted the incubation of startups at the Institute for Small-Scale Industries, also in UP Diliman. And after that, we also set up incubators in some of the agencies of DOST, like the Metals Industry Research and Development Center, the Technology Application and Promotion Institute, the Industrial Technology Development Institute, including the Philippine Textile Research Institute. Sa ngayon, sa DOST, ang nagsasurvive na lang na incubator ay doon sa Metals Industry Research and Development Center. Pero sa mga campuses ng UP, tuloy pa rin ang operation ng TBI.